I want to focus on the critical role each of us plays in sustainable living and environmental conservation. As global environmental issues like climate change and pollution escalate, individual actions have never been more important. One key area is our daily choices. By opting for environmentally friendly products, reducing waste, and conserving energy, we contribute to a healthier planet. For example, choosing to bike or walk instead of driving reduces carbon emissions, and opting for reusable items over single-use plastics helps decrease pollution. Moreover, awareness and education play a significant role. Understanding the impact of our actions on the environment motivates us to make more sustainable choices. This knowledge can also be spread within our communities, leading to a collective effort towards environmental conservation. Every small action counts in the fight against environmental degradation. By adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives, we can make a significant impact on preserving our planet for future generations. Technology has revolutionized the way we communicate. The digital era has transformed our interaction dynamics, both positively and negatively. Technology has enabled instant connectivity. With social media and messaging apps, we can now stay in touch with friends and family across the globe in real time. This immediate communication breaks down geographical barriers, fostering global connections. However, technology also brings challenges to interpersonal communication. The prevalence of digital communication often leads to misunderstandings due to the lack of non-verbal cues like tone and body language. Moreover, excessive reliance on digital communication can impact our ability to engage in face-to-face interactions effectively. In conclusion, while technology has greatly facilitated communication, it's crucial to balance our digital interactions with meaningful, in-person conversations. As we navigate this digital age, let's strive to maintain the essence of human connection. In this talk, I want to emphasize the importance of lifelong learning, a journey that extends beyond the confines of traditional education. In a world that is constantly evolving, the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending process. Lifelong learning keeps us relevant and adaptive. As technology and societal norms change, continuous learning enables us to stay updated and skilled. For instance, learning new languages or technological skills opens up opportunities in a globalized job market. Furthermore, lifelong learning enhances personal growth. It's not just about career advancement. It's about broadening our horizons, understanding diverse perspectives, and cultivating a more fulfilling life. The pursuit of knowledge shouldn't end at graduation. Lifelong learning is a key to not only professional success but also personal enrichment. Let's embrace this journey with enthusiasm and curiosity. The transformative power of travel in personal growth is significant. Travel is more than a leisure activity. It's a journey of education and self-discovery. Travel broadens our horizons. Stepping out of our comfort zones exposes us to different cultures and lifestyles. For example, visiting diverse countries introduces us to new languages, customs, and values, offering lessons beyond any textbook. Additionally, travel enhances adaptability and independence. It often presents unexpected challenges, like navigating language barriers or unfamiliar streets. Overcoming these hurdles teaches us to make decisions and adapt quickly. Travel is a potent tool for personal development. It not only offers entertainment but also teaches survival and growth in unfamiliar environments. So, I encourage you all, when the opportunity arises, to travel and explore our beautiful and vast world. I want to focus on the critical role each of us plays in sustainable living and how it contributes to our mental health. As global environmental issues like climate change and pollution escalate, helping us pay attention to our thoughts have never been more in a non-judgmental way. One key area is our daily choice. Mindfulness is stress reduction. By opting for environmentally friendly products, practices reducing like meditation and conserving energy, calm our minds, we contribute to a healthier planet and improving our mood. For example, For instance,
choosing to bike
a
or
study
walk
shows
instead
that
of driving
who practice
reduces carbon
mindfulness
emissions,
report lower
and opting
stress
for
levels and
reusable
better
items over
concentration.
single-use plastics helps
Moreover,
decrease pollution.
Mindfulness enhances
Moreover,
emotional
awareness
resilience.
and education play a
It teaches us
significant
to
role.
observe our emotions without
Understanding
getting
the impact
overwhelmed.
of our actions on the
This
environment
skill is
motivates us
particularly
to make
valuable
more
in
sustainable
navigating
choices.
the ups and downs of college life.
This knowledge
where
can also
emotional
be spread
challenges
within
are
our
common,
communities, leading to a collective
conclusion,
effort towards environmental
mindfulness
conservation.
offers a powerful tool for mental
Every
well-being,
small action
aiding in
counts
stress
in the
management
fight against
and
environmental
emotional resilience.
degradation.
By
I
adopting
encourage
sustainable
everyone to
practices
explore this
in our
practice,
daily lives,
as it can
we can
greatly
make a
enhance our
significant
overall
impact on
quality
preserving
of life.
our planet for future generations.
In today's talk,